Greeting friends, welcome back to the garden. It's another video for you guys in the garden. Guys, if I can show you what's going on in the backyard, guys, it's everything have flowers in them. Look at this mango tree. Guys, I am overwhelmed with some fruit. Look at this. Mangoes are flowering everywhere. Let me show you. Let me give you a 360. You see? There's a flower right there. There's a mango flower right here. And there's one right here. Flowering, guys. I am tuning. Oh my gosh. It's a lot. And I'm so grateful for this year. This year, it's a beautiful year for me and the garden, friends. It's, oh God, I thank you, Jesus. If you can only see my face, guys, it is beautiful. Thank you for watching.